Hey, what's up, everybody? This is GeekyAviseq once again from here in Dallas, Texas. Today, I'm going to unbox and do a quick review of the Asus Zenfone 3. The reason I'm doing this review is this phone is available at a huge discount from the Asus web store here in US. So for $150, let's see what you can get from this phone. So basically this is the ZE552KL model, which is for the US version of the same phone. It comes with a 5.5-inch IPS Full HD display, 4 gigs of RAM, and the Snapdragon octa-core 625, powered by 3000 milliamp hour battery. It's dual SIM with a hybrid SIM or micro SD card slot. It contains all the 4G LTE bands for most of the carrier, band 2, 4, 5, 17. It's missing band 12. So if you're on T-Mobile, it's kind of a bummer because it's missing one of the T-Mobile bands, so it's band 12, which gives you better reception inside buildings or where the other bands are not so strong. So let's go ahead. I just received it from the Asus store and it's still packed. Let's go ahead and unbox and see what's inside the box. Okay. Oh. All right. Phone for some weird reason looks a little bit dirty, but this is the phone in white. Wow. Actually looks pretty good. There's a USB-C. Let's dig in what all else is included. Okay, so there's the wall brick from Asus. It's a 2 amps. Doesn't seem like it's a fast charger. And they have included a basic set of hands-free and a USB-C cable and some earplugs for different sizes. So what's inside this? Let's see what's inside here. SIM removal kit, warranty information, and user guide in different languages. We probably don't need that. We'll keep it aside for now. Let's go ahead and see what's in the phone. So this is how the phone looks. You know, the feel is awesome. It feels really high quality. Let me slide the plastic out. Okay, so this is the older 16:9 aspect ratio, so not the newer one, but the back and the front is like Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Yeah, it looks fabulous. There were 2 colors available. One was the black and the other one was the white. I'm kind of bored using black phones, so just went ahead and ordered the white one. So the sides are brushed polished aluminum, which is a little bit of a golden touch to it. The keys actually look pretty good. Okay, so let's boot this up and see. Says Asus in search of incredible, powered by Android. While it's booting up, I wanna give you guys a closer look of how it looks. So on the right side, you can see there's a power button, there's a volume rocker. Both have like a texture and it's kind of very clicky, which I like. On the bottom, there is a single firing speaker and a USB-C, a microphone. On the left is the SIM card tray. On the top is a headphone jack and another microphone. In the back, you have the laser thing for the laser autofocus thing, and then a dual tone LED flash and the fingerprint scanner. Okay, it says welcome. Let's go ahead and do the settings. Whoa. Okay, so many. I just need English. Let's try to find out. Okay, English 26 keys. Next. Says Wi-Fi. Let's connect to mine. I'll just. The screen looks pretty good because this is a 5.5-inch IPS full HD display, and the brightness is actually goes up as high as 600 nits. So it's a pretty good display, and I'm out here and it's very legible. 4 gigs of RAM, Snapdragon 625, it's an octa-core, and then it has a micro SD slot, so you can expand the memory. It's supposed to have a pretty good camera too. Let me just set up the fingerprint, because let me show you. Fingerprint seems to be registering pretty fast. So it's giving you 100 gigs of free Google Drive storage, which is pretty good. I'm just gonna hit next, and let's see. Okay, so that's the Asus Zen launcher. It says update manually. New system update is available. Let's go ahead and see what's on there. Which version? Friendly reminder. Let me try to find settings. Typical Zen UI stuff. So it's actually running Android 6.0.1 out of the box with a November security patch of 2016. But I know this has the Android 8 update. So once I update, everybody said the amount of bloatware. So it's asking for Nougat update. Let me go ahead and try to download this thing. While it's downloading, I wanted you guys to, let's check out the camera. Yeah, camera sound seems to be pretty fast. Let me zoom in the pictures. I don't know if you guys can see it. The camera seems to be pretty decent. Let me try the selfie. Okay. Yeah, selfie seems to be pretty good too. So that's about it, guys. This is just the unboxing. I'm gonna, update the phone to the latest software and then set it up, and then I'm gonna do the next part of this review, which is more in depth and talk about pros and cons, and if this is really worth 150 bucks. So far looks pretty good for 150 bucks. The build quality is outstanding. The specs are very decent, and it has everything that you would. It's a dual SIM, has most of the bands except for band 12, has a rear mounted fingerprint scanner, USB-C, 4 gigs of built-in RAM, which is expandable, and also has the earphone jack. So it's not some of these newer phones where you don't even have a headphone jack. So far looks pretty good. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Do leave your comments, subscribe to my videos, like it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.